everybody, I'm in Anna, Texas again, and a special treat. When we walk inside, we're gonna have Shanna, which is my go-to gal here in Anna for great deals, one-story homes, very affordable. It's just a great solid deal, and I'm so excited. She's in the house. We're about to go say hi. Let's go, come on. Come on, Ava. So, here we are.
Hi, welcome in. How are you?
Hey, good. Thanks for having us.
Of course. Welcome to our Odyssey plan.
Oh, this is the Odyssey, okay.
Yes, this is a one-story, 3-bed, a 2-bath. And here's obviously your closet area as you come in. And note the frosted door. All of our doors have the frosted glass, so it doesn't, usually entryways are kind of dark. Yeah. So this just kind of makes it nice and bright. Okay. And then this would be your living area here. Yep. I'll go ahead and take a look in the garage. It's open right now. As you can see, it's still under construction. Yeah. It's a 20 by 20 garage. Very oversized. Nice. You still have plenty of space for bicycles and pools. And this is the laundry room. It's a really great size laundry room. And all of our homes come with a full-size refrigerator and washer dryer.
That's a nice move-in ready package.
It makes it easy. Just move in. All of our ceilings are 9 foot. And as you can see, we have oversized kitchen island. And this is your refrigerator. Again, they're still installing everything here. Yeah. So GE appliances all around. And then we have lots of great storage, great cabinet space. 42-inch cabinets.
I really like the way the house borrows space from each other.
Isn't
There's a
it
lot
nice?
of natural lighting coming in, and even though you're cooking food, you can watch the game. Right. You can cook, you can borrow. Like the conversation goes on. I don't feel like confined to spaces.
Exactly, and also if you have some bar stools here, if you have people over, they could sit here while you're cooking. So it's a very versatile space. Right here. Yeah, it'd be perfect. Or if you need to do, our kiddos doing their homework while you're cooking, it's a really great spot. I love it. And you also have enough room where you're not scooching by the dining room table trying to get to the outside. Yeah. And so also, speaking of outside, have this nice covered patio.
Oh, that's great. This is where I would have my coffee in the morning.
Of course, right? You can put a little grill on the side. Right. And obviously we will have sod. Okay. We're still building. And
the sprinkler system.
The sprinkler system, yes. We have a programmable sprinkler system that's also available on an app as well, so you can do everything from your phone.
Do you charge extra for that, or is that?
It's all included.
It's all included.
It's all, just like the appliances, it's included. Come on, and we'll take a look at the primary suite right here.
Primary suite, Ava, you hear that? She's getting on to me about that.
Oh. So nice size. You can definitely fit a king size bed, nightstands, even you have a little chair, a little sitting area.
This is great.
And then see the great size bathroom, have a double shower. And also these drawers are really deep drawers. Oh, wow. Hair dryers and things like that, so you have a lot of space there. And then your closet area here. And let's go take a look at the secondary bedrooms. Let me take a look here to this first bedroom. Turn the light on for you. You can see the nice size closet. That's one thing. Usually secondary bedrooms have such small closets, but especially kiddos, everybody has a lot of clothes these days. That's a walk-in closet. Yeah, and a lot of shoes. I mean, everybody needs
walk-in closet. How many square feet is this house?
This is 1412 square feet.
Walk-in closets on a 1,400 square foot house. That's not common.
Yeah,
that is
especially for the secondary bedrooms. I mean, that's huge.
For secondary bedrooms.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then full-size bath.
Wow, that really is amazing.
And then again, huge walk-in closet.
Oh, wow.
Lots of space.
That's 5-step walk-in.
Exactly.
I love it.
So what do you think?
Man, this is a great home.
Isn't it a great home?
Tell us about the incentives on this house. So I would assume a smaller family, a young family,
And it could be a family that's they've been renting for years, trying to get out of an apartment.
Okay.
And they're finally able to purchase a home of their own. This is perfect for them.
What if the payment's too high here? Like, what do you guys have?
So we have a ton of, we have options. We have a $30,000. It's a flex money that you can do with what you will, except for you can't use it for down payment. We legally can't do that, but they can use it towards closing costs, or you can buy down the rate if you want. You use for a rate buy down.
So you mentioned the $30,000 in flex money. So if I was an investor and say I wanted to buy in cash, can an investor buy here?
Yes.
Okay.
And so if that investor, he wants to pay cash, he gets $30,000 off the purchase price.
And there's a lot of new builds that won't give an opportunity for an investor to own. So this is really cool.
Yes, yeah. So that's and I know that there's a lot of issues in other neighborhoods where they can't, but we definitely love working with our investor buyers. Absolutely.
And so then that flex money would be used towards
buying down. Like if he's paying cash, we take $30,000 off that purchase price, or even if they're financing with our preferred lender, we can definitely give. There's a great block rate that we have that we use for conventional loans. Okay. So it's up to how much the buyer's planning on putting down. And if he puts at least, I believe it's, or if they put at least 20 to 25,000 down, then they get a 5.375 interest rate, and that's really great.
5.37 as an investor, that's
as
very
an investor,
good.
It's really
yeah,
good.
that's really good. Shop that around to find out how good that is as an investor. I know
really
because I've seen those numbers. So thank you so much.
Absolutely, I'm so glad you came out today.
Yeah, thank you for having us. Thank you for the tour. You were absolutely amazing. Ava, thank you. Thank both of you guys. I really appreciate y'all.
Come see me.
If you guys have any questions, please reach out to me. I've got great contacts, as you can see, that are total, like, awesome reps. They know exactly what they're doing. I'd love to connect you. My cell phone number is 469-231-1057, or leave a comment below and I'll make the connection for you. Have a blessed day.